Welcome to the second part of the fotovdb image database instruction movies. We will have a closer look at the selection of images, the print, and the download options. We will start with the direct download button right under the thumbnail. The down arrow, or download button, brings you to a window where you can pick the resolution you need for a certain job. You can pick A4 or A5 size for a professional print run, PowerPoint format for use in online presentations, maximum size for poster printing, and finally, you can choose Edit before download if you need to crop the image or need more exotic file formats. Another possibility is to download images when you are in the preview window. Click on the same download icon and you get the exact same download window. If more than one image is needed for download, you may want to use the collection basket. Under the thumbnails, you will see the Add to Collection Basket icon. When clicking on this one, you add the image to the collection. Notice that the downward arrow changes to an upward arrow and the color switches from blue to green. Also, the collection basket on the top right of the screen will show the number of images you already put in the collection. If all images on the page need to be added to the basket, click on the Add Page to Basket icon. If all images of all pages you pre-selected need to be added to the basket, click on the Add All to Basket button. It is best to take a look at the number of items in the pre-selected category before using this button. Now, let's have a closer look at the collection basket. Clicking on the collection basket, you get an overview of the images you selected. It is always possible to remove images from your collection by clicking on the Remove Item button. If all images need to be removed, click on the Remove All button. All images will be cleared from the collection basket. To actually download the selected images, click on the obvious Download button, and again, you will be prompted to select the required download format. Note that the Edit Before Download option is not available, since this option contains settings to be made per image. You might have noticed a Mail button. Using this button, you can send the images contained in the collection basket to the person or group of persons of your choice. They will be able to download only the images you selected for them, in the possible resolutions you selected for them. All this without them needing a login or password. Only the fields with an asterisk are obliged to be filled out. First of all, the base URL. You can leave this to the default, since this is the only option. You are asked to give the collection a name. Now we'll use Demo. In the To field, you type the email address of your recipient, for instance, johnm@gmail.com. Email addresses can also be CC'd or BCC'd. Another required field is the subject. I will type Demo Subject here. Some more body text can be added in the text area. Next, you are able to select an embargo date, the date from which the download link will be active, and an expiration date. If the images are very sensitive, you can add a password. This password can be sent in a separate email or be communicated by telephone if you want to be absolutely sure that only the recipient will be able to use the selected images. Next, the preview, print, and download options can be set. The recipient will receive an email with an encrypted link to your selection. By clicking on this link, he will only see the intended images with the options you predefined. You will probably use this great option quite a lot for sending images to colleagues, press, the advertising agency, and whomever you might think of. Another interesting feature of the collection basket is the option to print a collection of images. This is achieved by clicking on the print icon. Who would have guessed? Now, you can print the selection as one image per page on A4 or A3 size paper, or you can print contact sheets of the selected images. This is another option that you will probably use quite often. Thank you for watching this movie. I hope you will enjoy these exciting features.